My name is Jon Ferriman. I'm the Hub Director for Tata Steel in South Wales. I've been in the industry for 35 years and I started my career in 1983 as an apprentice. I started my apprenticeship as a mechanical apprentice and also carried out a HNC as part of that apprenticeship programme. Once you get into being an apprentice, you're nervous, but you get to know people, you grow as an individual. So I grew up very, very quickly in the first 6 months coming from school. So it was all about learning for me. The mentors that I came across during my apprenticeship were invaluable to me. I mean, they were my role models. They set the way I worked. You just get every single opportunity, from end to end, whether it's working on turbines, blast furnaces, small electrical automation equipment. You get the full range, whereas I think in any other industry you're very unlikely to come across all of the different facets of electrical, mechanical, process control, operations from one end to the other. So as an apprentice, I worked on all the major manufacturing units in Lamwern. I started my very first year out on plant, which was my third year of my apprenticeship in the blast furnace area where we are today. The skills I learnt in my apprenticeship, definitely a deep understanding of the processes. So all the way through my apprenticeship, I spent 3 months in my third year in 4 different departments, and in my fourth year I'd done 6 months in 2 departments. So you get to know how that actually works from a production process, especially if you're inquisitive and you're out to learn. If you're willing to learn, you will learn, and people will be there for you and they'll want to help you. The value of the apprenticeship scheme absolutely is in the talent pipeline. So if you look today, 30 or 40% of our senior and middle management positions are held by former apprentices who've then gone on to do a degree or develop themselves. So it is absolutely the bedrock of our talent pipeline. It is the most secure and probably the most developed. And I will say, I think it's a really good apprenticeship scheme that allows people to choose after the 4 years whether they want to go on and develop their career. So I think it's essential to this business. I think Tata offer you a great long-term future and really offer you opportunities that other businesses outside of our industry just can't, because they just haven't got the scale. My apprenticeship was my degree in life, and it gave me a foundation to be able to ask very practical questions and empathise with the craftsmen that are doing the work. There are fantastic production people out there that will look after you and they'll want to tell you all about their job, and that's what I found. And there are many, many craftsmen out there that will want to tell you all about how the process works, how engineering fits in. So for me, it's about making a bit of a nuisance of yourself, asking lots of questions, and there's so many people that will want to tell you how to be a great craftsman, I think. This facility here, I think, is absolutely best in the UK.